Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Tita Marison's here. Today magluluto po tayo ng roasted veggies with chicken breast. Here we go! Stay tuned guys! Keep on watching! Buhay OFW! Hi guys! Welcome back to my kitchen. It's Tita Marison's here. Today magluluto po tayo ng roasted veggies with chicken breast. Ayan guys! Roasted veggies with chicken breast. And here are our ingredients. Black pepper, salt, Italian herbs, paprika, extra virgin olive oil, squash, broccoli, zucchini, onion, cherry tomatoes, a cloves of garlic, and our chicken breasts. So, before we start cutting our vegetable guys, ipipreheat muna natin yung ating oven ng 450 degrees. Okay, let's start cutting our veggies. So, here we go guys. Let's cut now our veggies. Zucchini. And then, ilagay po natin sa bowl. Yan. Tapos, yung ating squash, ating kalabasa. Kalabasa, pampalinaw ng mata. So easy guys. Tita Marison's easy cooking. Yan. Sa mga OFW na katulad ko na naghahanap ng mga madaling lutuin, ito po para sa atin. Yan. Tapos, bigyan natin ng broccoli. Madali lang, di ba? Ayan, ang buhay OFW, guys. Easy cooking. Ayan. Ayan. Dali-dali lang, guys. Tsaka, 15 to 20 minutes. So easy to prepare and so easy to cook. Ayan. That's it. At, ang dami. Lagyan natin ng sibuyas. Wow. Sibuyas. Ganyan lang siya, oh. Ganyan lang siya, guys, yung sibuyas. Yan. At saka, bawang. Ganyan, oh. Ililipat ko to sa malaking bowl. Maliit. And tomatoes. Ayan, ito transfer ko po. Sobrang maliit. Yan. Lilipat ko sa mas malaking bowl. Para mahalo ko siya. Tapos, ayan. Maglagay na tayo ng mga seasoning natin. Black pepper, salt, Italian herbs. Gusto ko marami ng herbs, mas masarap. Olive oil. Yan. I forgot the tomatoes, guys. Ihalo na natin dito. I-mix na natin siya. Ayan. I-mix na natin po siya. Yan. See? Di ba ang dali lang? Okay, guys. Ganyan na po siya. Yan. So, okay guys. Ang aking chicken breast ay minarinate ko ng lemon, black pepper, paprika, salt, at saka extra virgin olive oil. And, nilagyan ko po siya ng Dijon mustard. Konti lang po. Yan. Okay. So, ito yung gagawin nating baking tray. Nalagyan ko po siya ng aluminum foil. Ilalayin ko siya para po hindi lumikit. Yan. Ayan, guys. So easy to prepare. Easy cooking. Ayan. Tapos, drizzle natin ng olive oil ulit. Ayan, no? And then, ilagay na natin ang ating mga veggies. Oh, wow! Ayan, guys. Wow! Hindi mag-cash. Pero okay lang, guys. Pagsama-samahin ko yung mga broccoli. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Lagyan na po natin yung ating chicken breast. Ayan, 4 na chicken breast. Oh, ganyan, guys. Simple cooking ni Tita Marison. Simple cooking lang po tayo. Easy cooking. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Oh, you see? So pretty. Ayan, guys. Ilagay na natin sa may oven, na preheated oven, 450 degrees. And ayan. Ayan, guys. Ito na po siya. Ready na pong ilagay sa may oven, na preheated oven, 450 degrees. And roast for 15 to 20 minutes. Here we go. Ayan, guys. Wait po natin. We'll be back after 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. Stay tuned. Hi, guys. Let's check our roasted veggies and chicken breast. Yes. Wow. It's done. Look at that, guys. Is it so nice? Woo. Wow. And that's it. Yummy, yummy. Yummy-licious. Okay, guys. Here we go. Yummy-licious, guys. Sarap. Yan. So easy and so simple to prepare. 15 to 20 minutes. It's done. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you po and God bless. See you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye! Buhay OFW, guys. Tita Marison's here. Simple cooking. Thank you guys for watching on my videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you on my next video, guys. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Buhay OFW. simple cooking. Tita Marison's here. Bye!